Sometimes we forget about saving water when we're in a lab. We run the faucet, water comes out, goes down the drain, and out of sight. But water has to come from somewhere, and getting from there to here can use a lot of energy and leave a large carbon footprint. For many labs, water is essential for research. Still, being water efficient is important to help make labs more sustainable. My Green Labs recently highlighted 9 ways to take action and improve water efficiency in a lab. You can check it out at the website below. Here are some of their top tips. Check for faucet leaks and report them promptly. Leaky faucets that drip once per second can waste 3,000 gallons of water per year. According to the US EPA, that's enough water for more than 180 showers. Check for leaks anywhere you have a line that constantly maintains water. You can find leaks on autoclaves, ice machines, and water-cooled equipment. Once found, promptly report leaks by contacting your building manager or visit the Auburn University Facilities Management webpage and submit a work order. If you're washing dishes or filling up containers with water, don't walk away while the faucet is running. This can lead to unnecessary overflow. Instead, always keep an eye on a running water source. Also, only run equipment that uses water, like glassware washers and autoclaves, when they're full. No half loads allowed. The biggest water waster? An autoclave. Autoclaves use a lot of water to sterilize equipment and inactivate biological materials in a lab. Some autoclaves, like small benchtop autoclaves, don't use a great deal of water, but steam-jacketed autoclaves are often the biggest water consumers in a lab. Retrofitting steam jacket autoclaves with water-saving devices can cut back water usage by 75 to 90%. That's huge. Add this effective water-saving action to the top of your to-do list. If your lab is in the market for a new autoclave, consider purchasing research-grade autoclaves that do not use steam jackets. These newer models use 93% less water and help reduce energy consumption. For more on Green Labs at Auburn University, check out aub.ie/greenlabs.